Welcome to Genix Flooring, where we specialize in transforming your living spaces with expert floor installation. Our process begins with meticulous measurements and thorough preparation, ensuring every inch of your floor is perfectly primed for installation. Our installers bring years of experience and a commitment to excellence to every project. Explore our extensive range of flooring materials, from luxurious hardwood to resilient laminate, stylish vinyl, and durable tile. Each material is selected for its quality and durability, promising years of beauty and performance. Watch as our skilled craftsmen seamlessly lay down your chosen flooring, employing precise cutting and fitting techniques. We take pride in our attention to detail, ensuring every plank and tile is laid with precision and care. Join thousands of satisfied customers who have transformed their homes with Genix flooring. Our clients rave about our personalized service and the stunning results we deliver. Once the installation is complete, our team leaves your space spotless, with no mess left behind. Enjoy your new floors immediately without the hassle of cleanup. Contact Genix Flooring today